All right, let's take a closer look at JKK Nattraja College of Engineering and Technology. It's located in Kumarapalayam, and the TNEA Code you'll need is 2647. If this college is on your shortlist, well, you're in the right place. We're about to break down everything you and your parents need to know. So the very first thing to talk about, and honestly, it's a big deal, is that this college is now an autonomous institution. They got this recognition from the UGC starting in 2025. Now, why does that matter to you? It means they have the freedom to update their syllabus and run their own exams, which can make them way more in tune with what the industry actually wants.
Okay, so to really get a feel for a college, you've got to look at where it comes from. Let's dive into its identity and heritage.
You know, this isn't some college that just popped up overnight. Their educational presence goes all the way back to 1952. The trust was founded in '69, and then the engineering college itself started in 2008. This long history, this foundation, is what led them to that autonomous status we just talked about. It really speaks to their stability. Right, let's quickly run through the must-know facts. It's a self-financing private college, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. Getting in is through TNEA counseling, with a 65-35 split between the government and management quotas. And you'll find it right in Kumarapalayam, in Namakkal district.
Now for the main event. What can you actually study here? Let's check out the undergraduate engineering programs available.
The college offers 5 solid BE programs. You've got computer science, ECE, EEE, IT, and of course, mechanical engineering. And look, each branch has an intake of just 60 students. That's a pretty focused batch size, which means you're likely to get more individual attention.
Okay, now for the section I know everyone's been waiting for. This is the big question for both students and parents. What about jobs? Let's get right into the placements.
So after 4 years of hard work, what can you realistically expect? Let's break down the numbers the college has reported. Let's start at the top. The highest salary package offered to a student from the 2024 graduating batch was 12 lakhs per annum. So that's the ceiling, the kind of potential a top performer from this campus can aim for.
But of course, not everyone gets the highest package. So what's a more typical number? The average package reported is 4.2 lakhs per annum. This gives you a much more grounded expectation of what most students are earning right out of college.
And what about the number of students getting placed? The college has reported a 90% overall placement rate for the 2024 batch. That's pretty strong. It basically means that 9 out of 10 eligible students walked away with a job offer from campus.
And who's doing the hiring? Well, you've got all the big names from the IT services world: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture. But what's really great to see is product companies like Zoho. And for the core engineering students, you have giants like Ashok Leyland, TVS, and L&T. That's a really healthy mix.
All right, academics and placements are one thing, but what about daily life? Let's talk about the practical stuff, where you'll stay and how you'll get to college.
First up, accommodation. And yes, for students coming from out of town, there are separate on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. So that's one major thing you can tick off your list.
Now, if you're a day scholar, they've got that covered too, with a pretty big transport network. And this is important, especially for parents. The buses have CCTV, and they also have female attendants on board. That's a huge plus for safety. They run on more than 15 routes, covering major towns like Salem, Namakkal, and Erode.
Every good college needs a great library, right? It's the heart of the campus. So let's see what kind of resources they're packing.
Wow, okay. The Central Library has over 26,500 volumes. That's a really substantial collection of physical books, so you'll have plenty of material for your research and studies.
But it's not just about physical books anymore, is it? You also get digital access to over 6,500 e-journals through platforms like Delnet and NPTEL. This is absolutely key to staying updated with the latest trends in your field.
And to power all that digital learning, the library is hooked up with a 500 Mbps internet connection. That's seriously fast, meaning no frustrating waits for your research materials to download. It's the kind of modern infra you want to see.
So that's our look at the college. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today is based on data from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we put this together. To keep exploring, check out more engineering colleges at profsam.com. It's your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.